This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crème brûlée from scratch easy guide. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees F and gather heavy cream, egg yolks, granulated sugar, vanilla bean, salt, and ramekins. Warm the cream, temper the eggs, strain custard, pour into ramekins, and bake in a water bath until set. Cool, chill, then sprinkle sugar and torch to create a caramelized top before serving. Enjoy immediately or within 2 days. I'll walk you through ingredient choices and techniques to get silky custard and a crisp caramel top. Use whole milk replacement sparingly, choose a fresh vanilla bean or high-quality extract, and weigh ingredients for consistency. Heat cream until it steams without boiling, then slowly temper egg yolks to avoid curdling. Strain custard for smooth texture, bake gently in a water bath, and chill thoroughly before torching the sugar and serving. Thanks for watching this quick break. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I love using the Kindle Paperwhite for recipe reference while cooking. It reads clearly and handles kitchen light well. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can learn more about the Paperwhite and accessories. Appreciate the support. Now let's get back to the video. Small details make a big difference when making crème brûlée, so pay attention to patience and temperature. Use room temperature egg yolks and avoid overbaking to prevent curdling. Slight jiggle is perfect. Cool at room temperature, then refrigerate at least 4 hours or overnight for best texture. When caramelizing, use even sugar coverage and steady torch motion to avoid burning. Store covered in the fridge for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.